Hey people, my name is Mutemwa, a photographer based here in Nairobi. So guys, if it's your first time here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyway, so guys, today I decided to just create a behind the scenes of my recent photo shoot. And if you do follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you've seen the photos. So guys, please enjoy and maybe leave a comment on what I should change or on what I should upload next on my YouTube channel. So guys, thank you so much for the support so far. I'm really grateful, and I'll try to be uploading as many videos as possible and just try to be as creative as possible and try to create as many tutorials as possible. And also I'll try to upload as many behind the scenes as possible. So guys, thank you so much for the support. Please enjoy the video. Yo guys, I really do hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so right now. Like we're talking, just take a few seconds, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also do follow me on Instagram, and the next 20 photographers who subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll give out my color LUTs for free to them. Yeah, so guys, let's go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, our page is growing. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful for everything. So guys, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.